Question 10 of the review says, Jake scored these marks on 4 tests. 0.75, 4 to 5, 0.85, and 18 out of 20. Now, I purposely didn't read those. Oh, hello. I purposely didn't read those properly. Let's see if I can get this back where it was. There we go. Because obviously, if I read that properly, it would make this question a lot easier. But that's actually 75 hundredths. So 75 hundredths, which is incredibly easy to change to a fraction, and 85 hundredths, which equally is incredibly easy to change to a fraction. We really have these fractions here. Now, if I wanted to look at equivalent fractions, I want to look at all of these fractions as having the same denominator. So, well, already 2 of them have 100 as a denominator, and I see that this ends in 5 and this ends in 20. So why don't we just change them all to denominators of 100? So I'll just multiply that by 20 and this by 20, and that gives me 80 hundredths. And then this one here, if I multiply it by 5 and that by 5, I get 100 down here, and I get 50. 10 times 5 is 50. 8 times 5 is 40. That's 90 hundredths. So the answer, obviously, once I create equivalent fractions to these, is 90 hundredths. And if I go back to what that original fraction was, it's 18 out of 20, which means my answer is D. Why, in the name of anything good, would they ever give a test result like this or like this is beyond me. But whoever's doing it should stop immediately, because it sure is easier when you have percentages.